Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a method for being able to compress all the 3D models, OBJ, FBX, GLB, it doesn't matter what's the format of it, compress all of them with the texture of them uh, overally. You know, imagine you have a project and you want to switch the platform to mobile, so you need to do the optimization. You need to compress all the 3D models you use in your project one by one, and it takes time, and of course, maybe takes uh, more risks to do that. Maybe you missed some of them, maybe you do something twice, but within this method, you can do this process only by one click. Okay, let's take a look at the source of it. It is in my page, Abulfast Town Hall, which called Model Texture Composer Compressor. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video for sure. You just need to come over here and click on code and download zip. Then you have to add this C# code into your project. After that, your editor will have a new option here. Tools, Full Model Texture Compressor. Excellent. Look at here. Here you say folder path. So it's supposed to be assets, the whole 3D models inside assets folder. If you want to be specific, you can change this address. For example, assets slash, I don't know, 3D models. Or I don't know, a specific scene. Here you can say model compression level. Light, which is a little compressed, medium is medium compressed, and high is the maximum amount of possibility to do compression process. Here, if you check it on, it says, okay, I will shrink the number of polygons and vertices of your 3D model. In fact, it is a special mode of compression, simplify mesh. And if you check this guy, it tries to compress the textures of this 3D model. However, I would like to mention that before this clip, I made another clip and I explained how we can compress the whole photos, textures, and photo files inside your project only by one click. I called it Super Safe Texture Optimizer, which is, you can see here, maximum resolution, compression quality, and enable crunched compression. Anyways, if I click on this guy, for example, I have a 3D model here and this mesh compression is low and the textures are here, right? And I want to change the compression level to high and check on the simplify mesh. Start compression. It's trying to find all the 3D models. I emphasize it doesn't matter what's the format, and try to compress them. It found 36 3D models and 67 textures have been compressed. We're gonna impress. Look at this. Mesh compression is high and it is lower than before. And the texture is compressed as well. Look at this compressor quality. Excellent. You can use this package into your any Unity projects, and you can modify it based on model compression level and simplify mesh. I propose you, if you want to keep the quality of your meshes, it's better to check it off, but make sure you have to set the compression level. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.